So there's the cruise ships, and the girls can watch the cruise ship come in. The sun's kind of glaring off of it. But then they come in and they dock down there, and then they go to town. It's got a water slide on it. Alright guys, today we're going to St. John. We're going to go over on the car ferry. We got 3 cars going over, and then we're going to hit a few of the beaches over there. You excited to go on the car ferry? Joel Cat? Was this your first time on a car ferry, Joel? Yeah. So, it's been quite the drive here. The roads are really curvy and hilly.
Bridge to nowhere. Babes, he's turning.
Sorry. That was hard. No blinker, no nothing.
So you didn't turn the blinker on? 10 minutes in the car and everybody's out. So this is a car carrier. It looks a little smaller. Yeah, it's way smaller than last time.
There's a front and back and the sides.
Yeah.
So we just missed the car ferry by like 5 cars. So we gotta wait for the next one. It's gonna be about 45 minutes. It's a good thing the girls are taking a nap, huh? Won't be long and we'll be on the boat.
Everybody wants Joel's hat.
Pays to be a local.
A little tricky, got the back on.
In front of the brown car. We're on it. Meanwhile, on the car ferry, we still got a nose picker. No, pick your nose, sis. No, silly.
Heavy door.
Use caution.
Use caution.
Tip.
Don't think about it.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on tight, Joel.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can feel water. I think we're gonna die.
So we've safely made it to St. John's.
And I
St.
almost,
John.
and I almost got seasick.
You almost got seasick, Joel? You remember last time we went in there? Don't get your fingers stuck. You want to go in the water? What's going to be up the top of this hill? Whoa.
That's where we stopped last time we got a picture.
I'm getting at your face. Oh man, you guys can't see this. That's so pretty. That's the prettiest water down there. Go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Yeah. Beach.
What do you say?
Beach.
Where you going, Lola? Lola. Where are you going? You want Dad? You want to go lay back down, honey?
Jacob's gonna throw it. Jacob's gonna throw it to us. Can you go under? Okay, close. Go up your nose.
Go some by route so I can get the girl. Not too close.
It's a little crab.
Yeah. Rob, this is awesome. I'm getting these huge. Dude, this is awesome, though. This is great.
I've seen the big ones.
Bunch of them.
Back on the car ferry we go. Nervous about parking this beast, Dad? Oh, you see down here the beast. Did you have fun today, Dad?
Yeah.
Did you have fun today, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
You want more feed, Lola? Amelia? Joel? How was that ice cream you had, bro? Bomb day. This is what you call bumper to bumper.